To go along with the Reading Without Walls merriment, let's celebrate further with School Library Month Book Selfie Contest for all Eisenberg students. Win an opportunity for a prize from Mrs. Puckett. Each week, 3 winners will get to visit Mrs. Puckett's treasure box and candy bucket. 1 grand prize winner will also be eligible to win a STEM Maker Prize from Rowan Salisbury Schools. The week of April 9th through 13th, take a selfie with a book about a person who doesn't live or look like you. District winner receives a Tinkering Labs Electric Motors Catalyst STEM kit. Yes, I'm not kidding. The week of April 16th through 20th, take a selfie with a book on a topic you're unfamiliar with, like a nonfiction or information book. The district winner will receive a Medicu mini drone. The week of April 23rd through 27th, make a video showing you reading your favorite poem. Remember, April is also Poetry Month. District winner receives a Snap Circuits Junior kit. The week of April 30th through May 4th, take a selfie with your favorite book. The district winner receives a bit coding robot. So pull out your iPad or other handy device and have fun sending in selfies. Where do you send your selfie? QR codes and links will be posted around the school. Please, only 1 selfie per student per week.